The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing 2 tornadoes, one near South Elgin and another near Valley View. Both were moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Hoffman Estates, Bartlett, Wayne, and DuPage Airport around 6:35 p.m. West Chicago around 6:40 p.m. Streamwood and Carroll Stream around 6:45 p.m. Hanover Park, Glendale Heights, and Bloomingdale around 6:50 p.m. Schaumburg and Roselle around 6:55 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.